What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And after 2 months, I'm gonna do my very first unboxing video for you guys, and I'm bringing in none other than INNO64. So yeah, starting off with the INNO64, this is something that was supposed to be released a few months ago, and it finally came in, and I'm so glad that it's here right now. And this is gonna be the first unboxing after the big break. And actually, this is a special edition of INNO64 which was released, and actually they announced the releasing date on 31st December, which was 5 months ago, and it's finally home. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what this is, and this is the TOFUGARAGE collaboration with INNO64. And this is a limited edition because there's only 1488 pieces worldwide, and it comes in a special box and with the TOFUGARAGE advertised. And also this is same as the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in the Pandem Rocketbunny body kit. So let's dive into the box. Let's take this out and move it away. So you guys can see this is a different type of a special edition box rather than the normal INNO64 mainlines. And you guys can see there's a hard top cover, and there's TOFUGARAGE advertised, and you can see the official TOFUGARAGE logo, the INNO64 logos on either sides and on the top, and on the bottom you get all the details about the INNO64 model and what it is, the collaborations, the license plates, everything is under there. And as always, INNO64 comes up with amazing models for Nissan GTR R32, and this time also they have the Nissan GTR R32 Pandem body kit with the Rocketbunny white body kit. So we'll get in, and these are the boxes, very hard cover, and you can open up this side to check the car out. And inside the box you get the usual INNO64 box with the wrapping and with cardboard and the stage and everything in the normal usual way. So let's get in and see how the car looks like. So there you have the INNO64, and you have the GTR TOFUGARAGE. So inside the special edition box we have the normal INNO64 packaging, and we get the cardboard box with a different print for TOFUGARAGE R32, and you can see the car displayed on the back side of the package. And likewise in the hardcover, in the normal package also, they have all the details mentioned, and the car looks fabulous. So let's take the packaging out and let's check how the car looks like. Definitely pretty impressed about how INNO64 bring out their details to the car, and how their collaborations work, bringing out different type of amazing castings. And talking about the packaging itself and how it's been displayed, you get the normal acrylic box and with the stage. So you can see Nissan Skyline GTR R32 with the Pandem body kit and TOFUGARAGE collaboration. And special about this is you guys can see under the car the TOFUGARAGE is engraved to the stage, also the INNO64 as usual, and the TOFUGARAGE logo as well, since it's a collaboration. So pretty amazing, starting from the packaging to the stage to the car, everything looks decent. And you guys can see the decals on either side of the car. You guys can see the TOFUGARAGE and Pandem body kit, Toyota tires, all the details from the tire itself to the body kit to the wings to the rear, everything looks perfectly done. And talking towards the car wise, just like the original, it's been there with the details, and INNO64 has done a pretty well job in designing this model, and I'm pretty impressed, I'm pretty surprised, as well as I'm pretty happy that I got this into my collection, because this is something worth having for. So there you have it, guys, the INNO64 TOFUGARAGE collaboration. This is limited to 1488 pieces worldwide, and we have it in our collection. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as always, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, and like the video as always. And if you guys have any suggestions, any models for us to bringing into our channel and do the reviews, please do give your suggestions and put the comments down below. So I will look into it and I will see what I can find, and I will definitely review them on my channel. And so hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.